guys, good morning. So I am facing some problems with the Thar, and I had to basically tow it because the water pump failed and two or three belts they just slipped off the pulley. And the pulley also just started moving in a different way. So the fan was not working well, or rather the fan was like dislodged from its original position. I think that was one of the main reasons why the belts came off. This is just a document, or this is just what I wanted to document on my experience with pulling the Thar, or rather towing the Thar. So too much noise outside. I couldn't think straight, so I just came in. So the thing was that someone screwed up on the Thar. Okay, so probably the belts were not well to the specification or something like that, and I couldn't notice it when I bought the vehicle. So this is just documenting my experience of being towed without power, without brakes, and trust me, it is something that like really gets your heart in your mouth. So here goes.
Hi Amod.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar.
मी अमोद वाघ.
Amod Wag. Thank you for this actually. So we are towing the Thar today.
Yes, yes.
हा या उकलावर बसेल ना.
खोकला डबल करायचं आहे मला.
आणि ब्रेकचं कसं करायचं मग? फर्स्ट रेस्क्यू बाय सियरा 4x4 सियरा गाइस, वॉच इट. ये अमोद ने खुद में बनाया हुआ गाड़ी है एंड शी इज रेस्क्यूइंग द थार टुडे. कुडोस टू दैट. प्लेन है ना,
तो प्लेन फुल टर्न मार के.
ओके. अभी मैं बैठेगा फुल टर्न मार के. The car is being towed by Amod. Amod is in the Sierra, and I am with his fitter here. नमस्कार. आणि आमचे धाबे धनाडले. We are shit scared right now because the car is off. There are no brakes, and there's going to be a huge slope going downwards in Pirangut, and I'm sweating. My BP is already high. That's what is happening, guys. So the difference between a friend and a friend who is a fitter or has a workshop and a regular workshop is, he just said that uska gaadi tayar hai and he'll just come and tow my vehicle to his workshop, and he was like ready to do it at a drop of a hat. Of course Amod and I go a long way back, but the attitude is very important. I really loved it. He's asking me to start the hazard, but my hazards are not working. I don't know why. working. Probably the battery is down or something, but the horn works. Horn is working. We are traveling at a good speed. I don't know why the speedometer is not working. The ignition is off. Let me check. I guess the hazard may also start to work. Now I have started the ignition. We are in Bhugao traffic. ब्रेक दबाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं और I have to stand on the brakes almost. अभी आमोद भाई ये गाड़ी लेंगे और मैं सियरा चलाएगा. I am not confident of controlling that vehicle without the brakes. कसं करणार तू?
चलो चलो मी करता बरोबर.
चालू आहे
गिअरमध्ये टाका.
बहुतेक बॅटरी डाऊन झाली गाडीची.
नाही गिअरमध्ये टाकायचं.
Amod is driving the car without power, without engine, without brakes in Tirangud Ghat. इसको गट्स लगता है. I was not confident. लेकिन आज अमोद की वजह से मुझे सियरा चलाने को मिल रही है. वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट मोस्टेस्ट फेवरेटेस्ट व्हीकल. वी जस्ट रीच्ड टाइगर मोटर्स वर्कशॉप. It was an adventure in itself. So the trick is, and I'm a newbie on this, but the trick is you put the car in third gear, press the clutch, leave the handbrake and let the tow car tow if it's a rope, and then if you want to stop it, because of the hydraulic brakes, if you want to stop it, then you can actually release the clutch and the car comes to a stop. And the brake, there's no brake action right now, but because you release the clutch and there's some engine motion, the brake starts pumping. So that's the way it works. अभी दोनों गाड़ी डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है. अभी मेरा गाड़ी काम को जाएगा. So thank you guys, this was just an adventure that I wanted to document. I thank Amod from Tiger Motors. इसका सियरा का बाद में कवर करेंगे, उसने क्या क्या किया है, कैसे किया है, बट ही इज डन अ फैबुलस जॉब ऑन हिज सियरा. We'll pretty soon find out what.